Abusia memoache emu akwaba bi obedwam dwumadie no na eguso a yede esomo ba bibia wo bia yeda se utika mukra no wo Adom TV ewo wo phone so possible de wo hia any data enti se bia na wo hye ye wo fie wo TV so na ebemo wa ye later wo de kwadwuma na mu phone ne so no akwanya wo ho se obehye Adom TV efi se live ewo Facebook na efisem komotwehye na edru so kadwa yeda se agode mu nsem no wo de no so aba besomo ye ne DBS roofing sheet na eba bedi enkomo na debia yete hanum se ye ka che DBS adaromenti ene edi dwumade ebro ene DBS atoaye na mpanifo amene won twetwe enkomo afi DBS no Dr. Daniel Dua senior lecturer and associate coordinator of undergraduate programs Department of Architecture ewo KNUST ene wabi yo because tech for ne dey bia me wasem bia me ka form ho nti ofi ho na eba dia wa ben pa na madam Mambroni Blessing Chuku
patwa
aboni yi wo ho
eno anu no
yi uye ye nua no blue and white ana edi afra wa ha
me wo bia
me da say enti me ne omumienu na ye di enkomo Blessing Chuku say group head customer service Dema DBS Industries Limited pamocho me mama kwaba yeda masen so ne madaje say DBS nti wonam kromu ankrofo dan so say hyen kama anya say bia ene na obo so na ete yire wa wo kira na apa na nanim aguase dabi chance ya wasi dan na dum pempen so say de boss de no ane DBS na Dr. Mpacho me mo akwa ba bio DBS anopedia haboko mo ye new design bia ba
me wo architecture Blessing wo DBS.
Okay, into wo de na say wo share dan no plan no na ye de aboso. No na wo share no.
Me fa try.
Na Blessing so actually yen roofing no color e be fit dan. Ba cho sanete.
Ye bibia.
Wo ye ni nyina bi. Ba cho chire ye mu. Mo hyase fi hin de kodu hin.
Okay, ye roofing sheets and light gate steel trusses.
Oh, okay.
Right. And pay ye be markets for all. Ejmedia DBS and KNUST and I think Professor Dia would talk about it.
Okay, into when ejmedia for from Modiaba. Market for all.
For students.
Money why competition?
Students, architecture students.
Okay. And school for na mo chere won dan draw no. Competition abem. They say na no joy prime bro for competition no. Mo so dey mo draw competition. Dr. Mpacho boy nchemo.
Yo, me da say. Patron ye tie ne say COVID ebaye nipa no bebre ehwe omo hwe apomoden ho ensem no se omo baye bibi ampa omo aye bi ama aban so kra ahwe abon abaso a omo di sa adwuma no
okay
na ya ye wo architecture ne ehwe ya hunu se ye nso ye wo omwa bi a ye betimi aboa ade ba kwa ekopie mu ne se ohwe COVID ebaye a baby a na ejina pa any markets ejum
okay
enti no ye say any dey na betimi aya afa ho enti ye so sa daye no na Department of Architecture ma ye ho kwan say ye organize competition bi a enkola no ebehwe normal design ye markets no say hopa na problem no what there na dey na betimi aya afa ho number 1 say ye be observe safety protocols ni nyina and number 2 ade ba ko say ye hunu say ye kase ye kodwuma na say we person with disability edin pa area ba ko so architecture ye focus no nti akasa anyoma mienu na bomu say ye benya market bi adwoma safe so be able to observe protocols and afin so omo disability so ebetimi evremu na botai ba ko asie ne so say ye de ahye nkwala na say ne mboye bia no ensese ne bo ne den say be ya aban etimi efasa de na cheso ono so wetimi dia kom mia bebre esanse no akra tie news a na chese Kumasi ho kejeti o makọ spray ho ma adwasofo nyina ni age obi asuro nti yen so a ye design on ade ben ye betimi aya afa ho
intimate wase ya na chese dwumade ne tofa bom no chese ye dwa hodo a ye wo mem no esese ye pe plan bi a de besi no na obia o wese so kodwom bia no wako ne yi ama ne ho ato no mate wase pa me da se na bless ye na DBS de nka mu roofing sheet na moye na we na if I'm home I'm there for a school for a drodro.
I am the say we be sasa and DBS there you need anything that has to do with giving back to society there you need home. Last year we sponsored the National Science and Math quiz. And TBBA anything that has to do with education, competition, yeah you need home. And this one was very it piqued our interest because it's going to solve a national problem. Obian in Ghana, your market space, very crowded. And how can we manage the spread of coronavirus? So for us as a business, we want the government to be able to run with this vision. Students, said the design comes out now. How are we going to roll it out in the various marketplaces? And we want the government to look at this particular way. And for DBS, and so we want to have a rapport with the Department of Architecture. And students be our BASA program we were being into our being the DHS or say we should also look out for good talent. And so we real school now they join us. Exactly. And lastly, so we want them to have a goodwill. We want to give back to society. And I'm saying so students know most of them are not doing anything. Bible classes say and instead of abonsame page mama and DBS exactly holiday task
DBS why are they quiet that's na doctor you find say a school for mwanya dodo a ombesi akan ya kama wo mo abedrodro dan ya to ho se de edwa na epese ye no kama dwumade no nkwa wie no botae ba ko potin bi a ebeso aba bia ma sukuni bi ode ne ho hyemu o fitek no ene de we
number one, more national exposure. Our competition are organizing resource persons, a bit free Germany, a bit free Holland, a bit free UK, a bit free India. Someone say Kwame Nkrumah University upon Yakoya Nimba or West Africa and Africa Hanomo. Inti organizes and your man in Amao into school for no dear. Adia ba kon benya fi one sa detail number benya no esan se ohwemu a nyoma omo benya efri mu kese pa ne experience and expertise number benya no one of the biggest things I ne say yenya nkola no sa akwa competition yenya omo sa akwa group bia ewo mentor and as a mentors no me practicing architects a Ghana Institute of Architects akambo mu into group nipa 3-4 bia no omo seasoned architect and also so momo say ade na omo ye no no kwan so enti no bia wo fa architect bia na nko ye school ni anka unhia no bebi ada ne office kra wan hwa no wanya kwan na so nyame adom competition akasa afo nyina bomu a omo sunsua nyoma bebre afi omo ho
enti ye fa ne say the fact say obi asua architect wo tech no e chere say obetimi de ne ho ahyem bia na mo nipa dodo bi ne ade bi a mo de be hwa mo be yi safo na mo de ho be hwa kansi enim
ye bie ma obi a o practice osua architecture na oman mu ano KN University se ne enim ye na ye di kan Central University so says your mo run architecture program nti ye bie ye no ye nya groups ahoro 16 nipa be 56 maximum nipa 6 and group mu na minimum nipa 2 nti ebi fi Central ebi fi KN University enya nipa ba kokra fi University of Ghana Legon lady bi oya business osi ono so opese ade ni be shame
omo sika sem but osa oba no de mo fa no enye so oya oba nti o but say obi a onni sa field no but osim pese me de me ho hye unso obi o ha o ko school a na nka no no nya obeye so ne papa say lawyer doctor ntina wakoshe ho ntimi mpacho moma no sa kwanya no de ori kura we meet standard kura moma no sa kwanya no why
na ye be hwe say so meet standard we meet standard na
mamo hwe wo se wono won ka ho
dan si enya agro
won ka ho dan si enya agro but on ka ho on si ho ade ba o se me ni je ho sem de me ho be hyem so ho na we de mma na kwanya no na otehwe a ene mo de mo boa no no ate ahwe so me da se fa na blessing e dikama ye o number na na binum asase e bisa se won be ye den ade om ho hyem ti my DBS number no.
Okay, me if you're in Accra, DBS, your number is 02408 44444. 02408 44444. Osanso Wakumasi, you can reach us on 050 4141 050 4141 or Takradia 050 4242. Baby, I be somehow free. Free.
The hands out there do pempen so no
free and I'm contact here directly because they say bad people be a
and also yasamo
omojeje amam for sika omoso mu DBS yenim ho hwe
entenno number na odi ama wo mo ye that's na blessing ye adesuafo edi omo ho ahyem awie na dwumadie ni nyina akwa awie ya omadi nkonim no blessing den na mo de be bless wo.
Oh, blessing the dear dosun. Yeah, me de kanina. First prize, no, I think Professor Dia will talk more about it.
Okay. Yeah, first prize, no, or yeah, 5,000 cedis. And the other group, no, and our second prize near 3,000 cedis.
Okay.
And our third prize near 1,000 cedis. And our moment the 4th to 10th, no, you special mention. And if you hope you participate, you be man a certificate.
Okay.
You be mo be also t-shirts and PPEs ne anyoma kakra krande ya dima obia.
Almost sounds to be a medal. First prize we a gold medal. Second prize silver medal.
You do 5,000 near gold medal.
Exactly.
Silver count 3,000.
Bronze third.
Either. And then money abre. Me drawing canka. Come so me drawing kakura. Now Dr. D. Who say no what's our department no what being. Enti eye dan ya obi de BBC paper so say wo draw dan ya si ho ana edwa foforo pese ye si a eye accessible to obi a wo deporting bi a obehwe de opese ode ne ho sha kansie nim no oni kan to ne ho for say de ne na sese osua bin wom ansa no ode ne ho abehye.
Oh, I kansie no nipa no se na me kan groups ne nya no mo de omo ho ahye mu a omo ye adwuma. Na ne etie ne se adwua da ni 27th no na ebe semi-final stage enti groups na eba nyina ye be panel jury ebe your people from industry market women ka ho esanso omo ne ye ya amamo nza omo hwe se te sen na se te say na ye contacts bi so aba ka ho enti semi-final stage no na ye yi nipa 5 na sa 5 no na ebe call final stage nyame adoma. Now just 1 week later, no, almost submitted. Near selected first to third.
Ultimately, was here. You cross us here, dada. I'm more semi-final.
Almost best submitted in Yamiadma Edwada.
Auntie, more coffee quadrodro.
Me patron.
No, feel more dear, but not panel not nasi.
Me patron.
No more shim.
Technology in Tino, he has said, your meeting saying in Zoom. In American, you Zoom, no, a bew abrochaman, and a bisua high one crime, a bew is stream. Baby, I will be no. And I saw you running into the show on say, "Here no one fees streams or bank crab." Okay. It's as a jaddy, baby, I will be a bew. Into be a penimante mantem. We want to localize and contextual solutions. Into a jabia or mantem or bew. No matter, now this solution about.
Into a mode by Namus Moher says, "I baby quani paconi fee. Ah, war ye janamon, a suit to Sabe Bicono and now. Now, the abbe for yet me, the baby, but now fear not with the computer drop be bremwe. But then who say me ankasa me
oh, on say design all the bar you be sound sem a jury architecture say enti na onya architecture student bi otimi kasa bebre no wo sha as your first year o be kasa odwuma ho a kopem say obedu 6 year enti wo sha as your kasa na do fa baby enfa question ba ku me baby sa no be hu say then so one woman by there send a blessing kai no o ma ben pa o ma bia ma o me ya hye enti do me say o betima ya bibia kama ama ne ne say solution beba boa o man no na aban so asomu eno na ye hwehwe say be ko say yen so mo ayetimi de aboa o man no eno no
mo ya de pa ebusia ya na DBS ajimeko no na echiche nkomo na enkomo no bia na afi na waso TV no sha Adom TV ani nyina na say DBS Netech KNUST no maka bom na womo a ehia se de ye drodro dan no womo drodro na nyesa womo drodro dan bi keke ne mum ye dwa hodo a ewo oman yi mu no ye mfa plan B foforo nto ho se na be ya ejakra na ato ho a de sabi wontumi nante na ekoho no mu a ekwan a niema bededa fomama no no so betumi awram eno ene enkomo a ye di enti blessing na wo kan bibi se DBS mo kobo dan so kra mo de eno ane se makobo so amanipa no na na mo chance ne so ho asem no and also to say.
Okay, so first of all, for this particular competition, the product being a tassel.
Okay.
Your friend Light Gate Steel Trusses.
Okay.
And when they sponsor our program, and for Light Gate Steel Trusses, no, most of Ghanaians no but we want to go to a point where we can contribute to sustainable development. As I said, you don't have to keep felling the trees in the forest, because in a few years to come, because they say but we don't want to get to that point.
Okay.
And say the Light Gate Steel Trusses now, but it's fire resistant. It's termite resistant as well. It's weather resistant. When we say Ghana temperatures need to make cost exactly. Would in India Indiano betumi apro.
Okay.
And I say exactly. Into Light Gate Steel Trusses no a very innovative solution Into we want Ghanaians to join our bandwagon for the Light Gate Steel Trusses.
Okay.
And no na data ejumadi so we want Ghanaians to call us for free estimates. And most of the time, Ghanaians say, oh, Light Gate Steel Trusses there for big institutions, hospitals, in Crawford, Whisker. Because most of the time in Crawford now, we use Indian, we buy and change. We say, oh, me sure, me would ne airport pro say, but we use Light Gate Steel Trusses now. You don't have to worry. You don't have to be anxious. Anytime you are able to save money for the roofing sheet, now what to service can now so we encourage everybody who see down, who see hotel, hospital, school, to Light Gate Steel Trusses. And now we do the estimate free of charge.
Joe.
So me the kit will be offer roofing a dua wo person di dua boswa. Eso so for dua papa. And also ya na ne water dey and ani pa ne be bring to me. Aha, enti no offer light gauge steel na. Na che say eno no ebeboa pa. And na de ba ko no say we nya carpenter ni papa onim edua use one per levels na mawa. Obawie no beka say chance na nya papa. Nanso na edua na de go so no na antene. Na mo fa light gauge steel ne dia and they da so sa.
Dr. Dia no senior architect na okasa kire no ti. Wo mo si dan.
Say owie ne dan no na achia.
Aha, ni nyina gina soro no. Say de yam kru ni yie.
Exactly.
Okay, nti anopai wa nyame adom watunye sidan na dru ne moso no DBS na ye kanfo de ama na ukwakoto nchanse wo mo ho no so no enye se won fa so nkwa na hia onemu mo so de bibua tech school for se na be ya wo so de omo akosua fa edan draw ne sie ne moso ho no ebeboa omabrabo wei ene enkomo aye die Dr. Die ye so ho na wo nsem bi etwa to abo ne to fa mayen ya
near the kind of ebepese ebeda ye sponsors near supporters ni ase lead sponsors and DBS yada wase pa na Clean Africa so ababa so ya snepa afi helping hands ono so akan ho pa and your spaces Palm Homes Limited and Prometheus architecture podome architecture firm omote say yan from one obaba boa say ejuma no ya de bia ya kama panti ya da ya boafo nyina ase afi ne de sorry so no say ya kan architecture ya da ya sonda ya siesi say ba ababua nipa nipa no ya bua no yesese ye kai hunu se esese ye obi a enti na we ye de ba na ye persons with disability so ye be kan nyina abomu afen so ye da mo so ase kwanya so amode aman
yo yeso ye da se enti blessing e dwumade ni nyina kwa wie ya wo hu de nenim de pa eboa ye kire edwa poten besi no se edwa no mo beboa na manasi na waboso pepepe ye de DBS nchanse aboso kama si ho aye de ensa betene so say dwumade we ya DBS na tech for ye no we ni na sense de esi bibi sa ho
Pacho exactly the reason why we are also going into this. I think Professor Dia will talk more about that.
No. You be seen we na afa na mugu so ye ho hye.
Afa na no second stage of the competition no. Say we na selected winners na you be call out na ya DBS near key sponsors nti ban chance so anim so mbeboa. But ya chance ya hwese be din komo ne aban be din komo. Esan say bibia ebeboa. Enti sa gbogbo shi hanu ma me so do for Jano Tuesday market and then you call man probi. So ho na say ebeboa na ya bibi kakra ebeboa ne bo no enesro bebre. Na ayi so ayi bia aboa pa nti ya hwese afi bia no ye be run competition bisa na ya ne ntem ne aka kire mo ntem ne ya run ne kama pa esa se ye ba ha ye ne age ye say adom de ekọ bia
ye da masepa ye da maseti blessing wo number ne de ye be san hia bio wo ho na fa de chat on so be ka kire no
okay me pa sure DBS number Accra line is 02408 44444 02408 44444 and if you're in Takoradi, you can call us on 050-600-4242. Kumasi is 050-600-4141. Yawa Tamale, yawa Sunyane, yawa Kumasi, yawa Accra. And say cry yawa Nkranza Accra so count. Yawa bebia, and anywhere you want us to run estimate for you, free of charge, yenji peswa. And so all you have to do is make sure you call us. And now, wow, him said a button chance DBS and one in chance papa fee. There's no lie.
Etiano pe ya kan de ya chiro kala bia wo pe no bo DBS amane chance papa de bebo dance bo DBS amane na light deben de be wo say light gate day a light gauge
steel trusses
we me say e ho ye yem de no so e ho no mo DBS na obenya na ne bo so san ye fo na wo mo kwa hwe estimate na ma ododo a be so so no so e na blessing abo amane say e free no ntifa numbers no shoto baby papa nyame ye wadom na wonyansi dan kra obeduru ho eduru ho no ma no abo DBS for amane na Kwame Nkrumah apompa fo nso ye da masese adehia na ye title o ye de kra title bi ye news e na ye watak okrom hanso ye hu ka moye e na ye watak okrom ha na ye hu dan pa amosi ana no ayi Dubai ho ahwa na adwiri enso mu nyina no ana mo kyerkyere ho nti mo de ba abonten no na kyese mo kyere bibi ho mo de pie mo ya de Dr. Dia ye da se ano pay me ne Dr. Dia Dr. Daniel Dia, a senior lecturer, Osansi, a coordinator of undergraduate programs, Department of Architecture, Tech, and ASEKN UST, and a blessing to a group head, customer service, DBS Industries Limited, Pamto. Madam Wasi.
Yes, yeah, that's it.
I will say I saw chiming and come on home. If you man quite tamaklo, ye babet nasi. Na ye babet nasi, and now my son I hene welcome Rasebejum. A conhumabono nano diane de to Ghana for him no. Ye diabro, ye near Rusa, ye here besia, and I say ye dear home. And only come ye babet into Mr. Chiming if you man qua tamaklo, Mr. Chay, ye basisia.